brand new daily moisturizer by a brand called CeraVe. Some people call it CeraVe. You can pronounce it however you want. What's important is how well it works. I can tell you that overall, after a few weeks of experience with it, I absolutely love this. I have about 3 talking points today. Number 1, why I purchased it. Number 2, a little about the moisturizer as well as the brand itself. And number 3, my overall likes and dislikes. So here goes. This is why I purchased it. Now, when it comes to skincare and especially moisturizer, I like switching brands. I think it's absolutely healthy to switch between different brands and especially between luxury and everyday brands like CeraVe. Number 2, and this is my absolute must, is that I wear SPF every single day, and I love when moisturizers contain SPF, which this does. Number 3, I hear good reviews about CeraVe. I also hear that it is one of the brands that's dermatologist tested and approved. Now, this bottle of CeraVe is specifically for the daytime. It's 4 a.m. It contains a broad spectrum SPF 30. Most moisturizers contain only SPF 15, so this is certainly a nice surprise. It's also oil-free, which means that it's non-comedogenic and it won't clog up your pores. So here are my thoughts. Number 1, I love that it came in a big pump bottle. It's easy to use. It's certainly easy to dispense, and it's plain, so it's not too complicated. Number 2, even though it's oil-free, the consistency is rich, luxurious, and creamy. It's not liquidy or watery at all. But guess what? Once I apply it, it dissolved easily and distributed evenly. It worked so well under makeup. And number 3, I love that it quenched my skin all day. After only 2 weeks, my skin does feel a difference. It feels nicer, feels softer, and overall, I really like this. By the way, it's fragrance-free as well. So if you're allergic to fragrance or just find it annoying, you don't have to worry about it. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. I hope you go and get yourself a bottle. That's it for today. Thank you again for your time. See you at the next review.